Alaikum, my dear students, how are you? Hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIVS Home School. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of National Ida English Version School, Morning Shift, Dhaka. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 4 students. And our today's topic, Chapter 1, Lesson 2, Reading them and Filling the gaps. Look at the board, my students. This is class 4, subject BGS. Topic Chapter 1, Lesson 2, Reading them plus Filling the gaps or FB. And your lecture number 2 and your homework number 2. This is term half yearly 2022. This is your teacher name Sonia Joya, and this is my mobile number, and this is today's date. So my dear students, let's start out today's topic. So Chapter 1, Impact of Nature on Social Environment. Impact of nature on social environment. The social environment consists of all the man-made elements. We know that the social environment consists of all the man-made elements. For example, house, school, playground. For example, house, school, playground. So, this house, school, playground are the elements of these man-made elements. At the same time, various social activities like farming and transportations are also part of social environment. So at a time, various social activities like farming and also transportation are part of social environment. Our social environment depends on our nature environment. Our social environment depends on our nature environment. Without nature environment, we cannot imagine a social environment. In some regions, temperature is high, but it is low in some other regions. Where it is cold, we wear warm clothes to protect us from cold. We eat different food and we build warmer houses to keep us warm. Where temperature is cold, then we wear warm clothes, protect us from cold, then eat food and we build warmer houses to keep us from warm. Where it is dry, fewer crops grow. Where it is dry, fewer crops grow. So you have to remember that where it is dry, fewer crops grow. Where it is wet, we get more fish to eat and we can irrigate our fields. So where it is wet, we get more fish to eat and we can irrigate our fish. Where it is wet means where there are many rivers, canals and ponds. In that place, these people get more fish to eat and they can irrigate their fields very easily with the help of this wet weather. So here are two pictures. First picture is that this type of climate is good for farming. Okay, this type of climate is good for farming. And number 2, where we have more rivers and water bodies is used as main. In that place there are many rivers. In that places, water bodies or boat or steamer or launch are the main use of transportations. And this type of climate is good for farming, and this type of climate is good for farming. In this place, their soil is good, weather is good. In that places are good for farming. Then, social environment also has an impact on the nature environment. Social environment has an impact on the nature environment. We should therefore be aware of our environment. So it is very important that we should have to aware about our environment. We should grow more trees because trees causes more rain. Rain keep our environment cool and it is good for the soil. The trees also gives us wood for building houses and making furniture. So this is the advantages of trees. So we should grow more trees because trees causes more rain. Rain keep our environment cool and it is good for soil. And trees also gives us wood, building for houses and making furniture. So this is the advantages of trees. So my dear students, this is today's topic about lesson 2, impact of nature and nature on social environment. This is today's topic, and This is our today's fill in the gaps from from lesson 1 and 2 both. Number 1, natural environment consists of the different elements of the nature. Okay, again I am saying dash environment consists of the different elements of the nature. So answer is nature environment. Natural environment consists of the different elements of the nature. And number 2, land of the dash region of Bangladesh is higher. So our answer is north. Land of the north region of Bangladesh is higher. Land of the north region of Bangladesh is higher. Then number 3, land of the south region of Bangladesh is lower. Land of the south region of Bangladesh is lower. So our answer is lower. Then number 4, rain is dash for the soil. Rain is dash for the soil. Rain is useful for the soil. Rain is useful for the soil. Then number 5, rain keeps our environment cool. Rain keeps our environment cool. And I am saying we have 5 fill in the gaps. Number 1, nature environment consists of the different elements of the nature. And number 2, land of the north region of Bangladesh is higher. Number 3, land of the south region of Bangladesh is lower. Then number 4, rain is useful for the soil. And number 5, rain keeps our environment cool. So my student, this is our today's topic. Chapter 2 reading done and fill in the gaps. My students, look at the board. Your homework number 2 and your homework FB chapter 1 lesson 1 and 2. This is your homework. This is your homework, girls. This is your homework. Work number 2, fill in the gaps, chapter 1 lesson 1 and 2. This is your homework and you will submit the next Saturday. So my students, this is your today's topic. See you again inshallah.